In a major development in the global energy sector, Mukesh Ambani-led Reliance Industries is set to partner in building the first new oil refinery in the United States in nearly 5 decades. The announcement was made by US President Donald Trump, who described the venture as the biggest refinery project in US history. The refinery is planned to be constructed at the Port of Brownsville in Brownsville, Texas, and will reportedly operate entirely on US shale oil. The project is being developed by America First Refining, which confirmed that Reliance has signed a 20-year agreement to purchase fuels produced at the refinery. Groundbreaking for the project is expected in the second quarter of 2026. President Trump, in a post on his social media platform, Truth Social, described the initiative as a historic $300 billion deal and stated that Reliance would be a partner in the venture. Although AFR did not officially name Reliance in its statement, the company said it had received a 9-figure investment from a global energy super major at a 10-figure valuation. Reliance has not immediately issued a public comment regarding the announcement. If completed, the project would become the first major new oil refining facility built in the United States since the Garyville Refinery in Louisiana, operated by Marathon Petroleum, which began operations in the year 1977. However, industry experts estimate the actual construction cost could be around $4 to $5 billion. Though neither the White House nor AFR has disclosed detailed financial figures or a completion timeline. The refinery would also mark Reliance's first refining project in the United States. The company currently operates the world's largest refining complex in Jamnagar, Gujarat, capable of processing around 1.24 million barrels of crude oil per day. Meanwhile, the development comes amid shifts in global energy trade. In recent months, India's energy purchases have been influenced by US pressure to reduce imports of Russian crude. Washington had earlier imposed tariffs up to 50% on certain Indian goods, though these were later eased to 18% in February. Due to these pressures, Indian refiners reduced imports of Russian oil last year, pushing companies such as Reliance to rely more on comparatively expensive crude from Gulf countries. Despite the uncertainties, the market responded positively to the announcement, with Reliance Industries shares rising by about 7%. The White House also stated that the United States has granted India a temporary waiver to continue purchasing Russian oil. According to officials, the decision was taken because India has been considered a cooperative partner that had previously reduced purchases of sanctioned Russian crude. If the refinery project moves forward as planned, it could mark a significant milestone in US-India energy cooperation and reshape refining investments in North America.